Well, my advice is, well, let's put it like this. I have two advices. First of all, as far as academic training is concerned, one should start with a broad linguistic background, at least one more European, either Germanic or Slavic language. My warm recommendation is that one should take either Polish or German. Otherwise, he lacks a major linguistic component, because I don't have to tell you that Yiddish consists of three major linguistic elements, and at least that he should master one of the two. Okay? Now, this is one advice, the language. The other one, literature out of the ghetto, so to speak. One should master one major European literature at least. Well, depends on your preference. I think historically the relevance of Russian literature and Polish literature and German literature is much more important than English literature, of course, because we are only in the American and a little bit in Britain it has to do. But I think that beyond that, we take of literary theory, things like that, one has to at least know something about it. And last but not least, the historical background. Modern Jewish history, early modern Jewish history, Ashkenazi history, cultural history, history of the Jewish community, that's, the kahal, the kehila. It's again, we are still awaiting studies on the relation between Yiddish and the Jewish corporation, the pre-modern Jewish corporation. I'm now working on that. One of my, current project is the Yiddish as the language of the Jewish corporation, of the pre-modern autonomous Jewish corporation. And of course, the epitome of this is the Pinkas, which is a bilingual, if not trilingual, if not quadrilingual, historical document. And you have thousands, 10,000 of Pinkasim, which only one or two real studies have been studied. It's incredible how much we still have to do in this.